2017 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.